Hey, my brothers and sisters, bless your heart, man. Up again. Here I want to have a discussion right now on erectile dysfunction. And another person have been asking me, as a herbalist, as a holistic consultant in that line, right? How can we get things better? For the last 25 years, I've been talking about this life of relationship, sex. How can you get things in pushing up much better and much wider? What we realize is that a lot of men, as a lot of women too, are not spending enough time to make love. 5 minutes, 10 minutes is not. Half an hour more making love before you even go any further. You have 10 fingers, you have lips, you can take the whole complete body. It's yours, right? You can shower that woman, making love from there. Dry her off, take her to the bedroom, make love from there. Even goes for the woman doing the same thing for the man, right? Improving, because when you do that and improve that life, then the endorphin rise, the testosterone level also will rise by you getting melon, cayenne pepper, beetroot. Now what you gotta do is that you cut the melon out right down to the skin, throw it into the blender, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a small beetroot. Blend, strain, and drink. So 8 ounce to 8 ounce to 12 ounce glass you have in the morning and in the afternoon until you get that result you're looking for. Some person might have diabetes, some person might have a high blood pressure, so you might find a little bit slower getting it there. But if you continue on these things, you will get better. Even for the woman. So your clitoris, that small area there, need to get erected to that person can feel that energy. So what we have to do is making sure that we get these things done. Listen again. Without you try these things, you will never know, which I know. You want to get more help? Contact me at 843-0507 or 843-7019. Let us work together. Because happiness comes when a man and a woman go together to make love. I don't mean just jack. I mean love. Think about each other. The mind and body must be on each other to make love. That's what we're looking at tonight. All right? Bless your heart. Big up yourself. Love.